guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wow, it's been a while. What today's video is going to be is basically a vlog, kind of like I already got ready. It was gonna be like a get ready with me, but then I was like, nah, let me just like, you know, do my makeup and do whatever I gotta do and then film. But yeah, it's just gonna be a vlog about my day. I do have a lot more videos coming up. I'll talk about that at the end because I know y'all want to get to the vlog. So right now I'm about to go and take these nails off, and then I'll kind of talk to you guys about like the rest of my day in the car. So let's go. All right, I'm in the car. I'm all ready to go. I'm about to call the nail place and see if I can actually get an appointment so I don't have to like end up waiting when I get there. But basically after that, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just going with the flow today. I do have a couple of things to pick up at the store. Yeah, I gotta like make a whole list and everything because I've been out multiple times this week and I've forgotten like half the stuff that I've had to like buy. So I'm going to call them.
For calling on Beyond Tech Park, I can help you.
Hi, can I please schedule a soak off?
A soak off? Okay,
yeah.
Sure. I'm not taking any more appointments for today. Would you be able to come in for tomorrow?
Yikes. No, I'd have to come in today. It's fine. I'll call another place. Thank you though.
I'm sorry.
Alright, bye. I just want to soak off. Oh my. Okay, so I ended up calling another nail spot near the area that I was going to anyways, and they're available. So I'm gonna go over there and get these nails off, and then after that, I'm hungry, so I don't know if I do want to make some stew. I should probably stop being lazy and just get the ingredients for that too, huh? Should I though? Yeah, I'll just do that because why am I being lazy? So I'm going to head to the nail spot now. I'm just kind of going with the flow. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Like, I'm just trying to like figure out, like, I'm figuring it out with y'all. So I'm gonna go, all I know is I'm gonna go to the nail salon place first. That's all I know. And then wherever God takes me next is where I'm going to go. So I will see y'all at the nail spot. So like while I'm on this drive, like why not talk to y'all? Hold on, there's a bunch of stuff on my thing. What has Mary been up to? So basically I know like, because when I watch YouTube videos and like people be talking for a long time, I get so annoyed. So I'm really trying to like practice what I preach and not like ramble. Time goes by fast. Like it's not even like I forgot about YouTube. Like I just had so much stuff going on. Like I said, I'm graduating too, so there's a bunch of stuff going on with that. Like obviously I'm in classes now. I'm trying to, you know, I have my own like small business, so I'm trying to focus on that. But it's hard juggling a bunch of things when you're involved with a lot of things. So yeah, after graduation I'm going to be much, oh shoot, y'all didn't tell me I was all the way over there. But yeah, after graduation I will be more, you know, I'll have time to do the things I need to do. Like I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna just accomplish a lot more. Not that school's holding me back, but it kind of is right now. Like right now I'm just doing like gen ed classes because I'm basically done with like my degrees. There's just like those gen ed courses that you have to take to kind of complete them, and they're just very tedious, and I don't like tedious stuff. Like I just like, I don't know. But yeah, there's that. And then also, I don't know, I just kind of wanted to point this out, but shout out to my friends. Oh my gosh, I didn't even do like a birthday vlog or anything. Oh my gosh, that's a whole another story. Like my birthday, like that day was so hectic. Okay, so I'm at the nail spot now. I'm upset because I forgot my blender, my beauty blender, because usually when I wear masks it'd be like creating that line on my face, especially when I wear makeup, and I don't like that. But I'm gonna go inside and get these nails off. Hopefully they let me record in here. I don't know, I've never like vlogged like this before, so yeah, I did. I'm vlogging, so. This is Kid, you guys. Make sure y'all come to Hyde Park Nail.
What's that? Record?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging for YouTube.
Oh,
Yeah. You want to be in it?
okay, sure.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I don't know. I should in the
Yeah.
right hand of terrible.
Oh no. I'm here at Hyde Park and this is my nail tech. She's so very nice. If you're in Cincinnati, you should really come here. Yeah. So I'm done getting my nails off. There's this new spot in Cincinnati. It's called Catch the Kitchen. I've been there once with my friends, but it was like during breakfast time, so I didn't get to get what I wanted to get, which is like the fried crab. So I want to try that, but they're only available at 4:30. And I mean, I could just go to the African market and just get my groceries that I need and then go, I feel like. But to go back to kind of talk about like the nail place I went to, it was this new place that my friend recommended. They're very nice people. So if you're in the Cincinnati, Ohio, if you're in the Cincinnati area, definitely go try them out. They said they need support. They're in the Hyde Park area. They're called Hyde Park Nails. So definitely go and check them out. I have to go to Target, I know that, because I need to get a toothbrush, some more Dr. Bonner soap, some free spray because they threw it away at the airport the last time that I was flying. So I need to get some of that. So I'm at the African market right now trying to get everything. Everything's like all clumped together, so I'm having a hard time finding like what I need. Sorry, I'm like super close. But yeah. So I ended up coming to another like produce place about like a couple seconds away from where I was, the African market, because they didn't have any fresh produce there. So I'm just grabbing some onions, tomatoes. I'm hoping they have plantains because that's what I want to eat my stew with. But yeah, so I'm just going ahead and picking the stuff. I hate running errands. No one seems to have plantains and I'm like confused because it's like, is that not like, I'm trying to decide if I should cook today or not. I might just cook today, to be honest. I don't know. It depends on how I feel and like what I got going on. But yeah, I'm gonna head to Catch the Kitchen, then Kroger.
Avoid the slow down on I-75 South. You are on the
And then
fastest
head
route.
home. So
arrive
I
at
will
5:12
see
p.m.
y'all there. So I'm at the restaurant right now called Catch the Kitchen, like I had said before. And I got the fried crab and a side of mac and cheese. I didn't know the wait was going to be like 30 to 40 minutes, so I'm just going to wait here because I feel like if I wait here and they see me, they like make it quicker. I don't know, that's like my theory. So yeah, I'm just waiting right now. And then when it gets here, I'm going to show you my food. And then yeah. This whole vlog is just about to be me in the car telling y'all where I'm going. So I got the food, right? And it was about like $30. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm mad. I'm not even coming for like the restaurant or anything, but I thought I was getting a lot of food for what I got, and that's not what I'm seeing. So I wait 30 minutes. I could have gotten, I don't know. It's okay. It's okay because I like trying new foods and new places anyways, and if I didn't try this, I wouldn't have known, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so it's whatever. And plus it's going, the money's going to a black owned business, period. So it doesn't make it that bad. But I am headed, I don't know, I didn't expect to wait 30 minutes. or 30-40 minutes for it. So I don't know, I'm just tired and I'm hungry, but I know that tomorrow I don't want to go anywhere. So I'm just gonna, and I still, like, you remember when I told you I was gonna go to Target? I still haven't gone to Target. So, oh, actually, I don't need to go to Target. I'm going to Kroger, duh. I'm gonna get the plantains if they have some. Like, come on. I'm gonna get my toothbrush, my Dr. Bonners, everything I need, and then finally I get to head home. It's looking like I'm making this food today, though, because what I just saw in there is a little portion, and it's good though. It's fine though, because that means it'll hold me off until like dinner time. I mean, it's already dinner. I haven't eaten all day, guys, by the way. But yeah, it's been a great day. You know, just thankful. And we're getting a lot more sun in Cincinnati, so that's helping. Today I actually meant to, so like my plan for the vlog wasn't just to run errands all day. It was actually to have like a portion of it. Like I was gonna go to like a park, and like I was talking to my friends the other day, and I had seen a YouTuber like going to the park and stuff like that, and I was like, I want to do that too, but like I'm just very paranoid when I go out like by myself. I feel like I'm gonna get snatched, and I know like it's a very valid reasoning, but at the same time I shouldn't let it like control me. I remember growing up and like I would want to go somewhere, and then my dad would be like, oh, like he would say like, oh, like you're gonna get like kidnapped, don't you see the news, da da da. But that's like typical African parents. But when I grew up and I was like watching, when I started like, you know, I'm on Twitter, I'm on social media, I'm seeing like, you know, people getting snatched every day. I'm like, dang, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't think that's gonna be you until you just get snatched. And it's not like, I shouldn't like think that way. That's it. I should be careful. That's it. I just should be careful. That's all. So, I mean, I'm going to go and enjoy the park. I just want to have like me time, basically. I'm planning on doing a mukbang too, but like I don't want to do a mukbang in my room just because like my room's like mostly all white, and I'm capping, like I be eating my room regardless, like, but I don't know, I want to do like a crab boil, and y'all can see how that could get messy. Or I could do like another food, to be honest. I could still probably do a mukbang with this food, but ain't much to do a mukbang with, you know. So I'm home now, and I came home to a dance party or whatever. They were lit or whatever, so I don't know if I might marry. Oh, like whatever. But anywho, I'm still deciding I should make the spinach stew or not. But yeah. Oh my god, turn it up. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna get copyrighted, but I'm about to come eat my food, you know, chill, whatever. It's a Friday, turn up, period. Hey, ooh, 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 ooh. Get up. Alright guys, so I'm back home now, changed, got into some comfortable clothes, put all my groceries and stuff like that away. So right now, I don't know, I'm so tired, and my friends were downstairs. But quick food review, I would give it, out of a 10, I would give it a cool, to be nice, I'll give it a 4, because the whole reason why I even found out about that place is because my friend Jaleisha sent me a Facebook post, like a screenshot of a Facebook post of them, like, you know, opening their restaurant. The mac and cheese was good. The mashed potatoes was all right. I didn't even get mashed potatoes, but I guess they had some. I don't know, like, I don't know. But the fried crab was a disappointing one. Like, that threw me off. It did not look like what was advertised. And it was like almost breading, like literally it was like chunks of crab and like bread. I mean, most of this vlog was just me in the car running errands. Y'all just came along with me. But I go downstairs, show my friends. I'll probably insert some clips. If I don't, y'all see me in the morning, but I'll try real hard to. I know I will, so yeah. Psych. See you guys.